Here's how to change the privacy code and main code on a Motorola Walkie Talkie. So first of all, you want to check to see if it's locked. If you see a little lock there, then you're not going to be allowed to get into the menu because the keys are locked. So if you hold the button with the picture of the lock on it down for a few seconds, then the lock will go away. Now that means you're now allowed into the menu. So in the menu, you just hit menu and you'll see the top one is the main channel. So if I wanted to change to channel 7, I could go 10, 9, 8, 7. And then if I hit menu again, then I'm at the sub code. So if I wanted to be 715 or 14 or 13, you have to set the sub code the exact same on all the walkie-talkies so that you can hear each other. And then if you hold the menu button down again, that'll put you back in lock mode, disabling the buttons, and then you're good to go. And if you're trying to use a walkie-talkie that has a privacy code with an older one that has no privacy code, you can make them talk to each other by setting the privacy code to 0. So that means this one can talk to that one. Whoa, that one can talk to this one, because 0 means there's no privacy code turned on. So if you're in a situation where people bring ancient radios and you have to communicate, you probably want to pick a higher number than this and a channel that nobody else in the area is on, and then set the privacy code to 0.